Stepping into the crypto arena, is there a better option than Coinbase? Ever heard of someone striking it rich with Bitcoin? Maybe you saw a friend casually mentioning their Ethereum holdings. The world of cryptocurrency is booming, and it can be tempting to dive right in. But before you download the first app you see, hold on a sec. Choosing the right platform to buy, sell, and trade crypto is crucial. You need a place that's secure, user-friendly, and fits your specific needs. Coinbase is a popular name, often the first that pops up in searches. But is it the best fit for everyone? Let's explore the crypto landscape, dissecting Coinbase's strengths and weaknesses, and unveil some potential contenders for your digital currency throne. Coinbase, the user-friendly giant. Coinbase is a titan in the crypto exchange world. It boasts a clean, intuitive interface, making it a great choice for beginners. Signing up is a breeze, and buying crypto feels as familiar as purchasing something online. Plus, Coinbase prioritizes security, offering features like two-factor authentication to keep your hard-earned coins safe. However, with its user-friendliness comes a price, literally. Coinbase fees tend to be higher than some competitors. Additionally, the selection of tradable currencies is limited compared to other platforms. While you'll find the big names like Bitcoin and Ethereum, you might miss out on the chance to explore newer, potentially high-growth cryptocurrencies. Challengers to the coin, exploring alternative platforms. Now, let's delve into some exciting alternatives to Coinbase. Remember, the best platform depends on your priorities. Here are a few strong contenders to consider. Binance, buckle up for a feature-rich roller coaster. Binance offers a massive selection of cryptocurrencies, catering to seasoned traders and those seeking the latest digital assets. Transaction fees are generally lower than Coinbase, but the interface can be a bit overwhelming for beginners. Gemini, security first. Gemini prides itself on being a highly regulated exchange, perfect for those prioritizing safety. They offer a decent selection of cryptocurrencies and competitive fees. However, the user interface might feel less intuitive compared to Coinbase. Kraken, this veteran exchange is known for its robust security features and advanced trading options. Kraken caters well to experienced traders with margin trading capabilities and a vast array of cryptocurrencies. However, similar to Binance, the interface might be less beginner-friendly. Crypto.com, looking for a platform with a bit of everything? Crypto.com offers a user-friendly interface, competitive fees, and a growing list of tradable cryptocurrencies. It also boasts a Visa debit card linked to your crypto holdings, allowing you to spend your digital assets directly at merchants. Choosing your crypto champion, consider these factors. Picking the right platform depends on your experience level and investment goals. Here are some key factors to weigh. Security, this is paramount. Choose a platform with a strong reputation for keeping your crypto safe. Ease of use, if you're a beginner, prioritize a user-friendly interface with clear instructions. Fees, transaction fees can eat into your profits. Compare fees across platforms before diving in. Coin selection, do you have your eye on a specific cryptocurrency? Make sure the platform offers it. Features, are you a casual investor or a seasoned trader? Platforms offer varying features like margin trading or staking. Remember, crypto is a wild ride. Do your research. The world of cryptocurrency is exciting, but it's also volatile. Always do your own research before investing in any digital asset. The final takeaway, there's no one-size-fits-all. Coinbase might be a great starting point for beginners, but it's not the only option. Explore alternative platforms that cater to your specific needs and risk tolerance. There's a crypto champion waiting for you. Find the one that empowers you to navigate the exciting, ever-evolving world of digital currency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.